Good evening everyone and welcome to the Leica Boutique opening at Camera Electronic in Perth, Western Australia.
I'm Howard Frank, this is my brother Saul. Our father Ronald started the business in 1967 and here we are today.
67, 68, he tells a different story each time, but we've continued his tradition, the tradition of Leica and photography, and we love being here, we love selling photographic product and being part of that tradition. And later on this evening you'll see some of the fantastic cameras from Leica.
There'll be lots of new special editions for the Leica 100th year.
Yes, and if you'd like to see any of those fantastic new Leica products, please check out cameraelectronic.com.au or even come and visit the store in Perth. We'd be honoured to have you here. Thanks a lot.
230 Sterling Street.
Perth.
Thank you.
Danke. Thanks a lot.
230 Sterling Street.
Perth.
Thank you.
Danke.